All right, the drink we're about to make is called AJ's Bubblin' Brew. First thing we're going to do is add some ice to a glass, and we're going to do a half a shot of 151. Now this drink you would usually light on fire, and the 151 is going to help that. Unfortunately, due to fire codes in this particular bar, we cannot do that. So next thing we're going to add is a half a shot of tequila. I know you're upset, but keep watching. It's still going to taste the same. Half a shot of Southern Comfort, and half a shot of peppermint schnapps. Okay. Now we're going to mix these ingredients together. And let's grab a glass and pour these in. And last thing we're going to do is grab some brew. Open it up and top it off to give it that bubbling brew. There you go. Straw and enjoy. Bottoms up.